Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at the new MK8 Fiesta ST like we did previously last Friday. That video is doing really well, it's nearly at 5,000 views, so thank you for that. We're doing a comparison between my Fiesta ST200 and my friend Kyle's MK8 Fiesta ST. We did film that last Friday as well, or the Friday before, either which was filmed. But in this video you can expect to see some launch controls, some drag racing, exhaust sounds and some rolling pulls. All of these film clips were filmed on a private road in Mexico. A little disclaimer there. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and yeah, let me know what you think down below in the comments. I'll see you soon. Right, exhaust comparison. Connor's in my car, Carl's in his car. Right, rev up Carl. Right, Connor, rev up my bad boy. Listen to this. Well, I all think we know who won. The winner is Kyle. Definitely safe to say that the ST200 lost then. However, it's not bad considering Kyle had launch control. What did you think?
It's not as fast as I was expecting it to be.
No, not in first gear at all. It doesn't launch very well at all. But you were using launch control, weren't you? So Kyle was using launch control, so it's aided by a computer. To be fair, you didn't do bad, Connor, considering you were using manual drivability. Kyle pretty much beats everyone when he uses launch control. So. Except Connor beat him in a Polo GT Blue Motion. Right, here we go, going for another one. That was the ST200 that time, 100%. Except Kyle just pulled out in front of Connor, so he had the brake. But that 100% I saw it, that was the ST200. Connor won that one, I swear. The ST200 has beat a launch control. Let's have a look at the results. That was Connor.
You know,
I'm pretty sure Connor won that. What did you think? Because he braked to let you through again.
Yeah, but that's the thing though, we can't do it with these cars in.
Yeah, I know. I'm pretty sure you won that.
why don't you stand by one of those blue and white posts?
Yeah.
Whoever gets there first.
I'm pretty sure you won that though that time. You what?
That was a shit launch.
Yeah, Connor messed up that launch, but I think the launch control massively helps, don't it? 100%. If you were going to do that manually in that wouldn't do as well as that.
Try it.
Yeah, take launch control off and do it manually this time.
Where he's going to try and stop here.
Yeah.
But
pretty even.
it's pretty even when you do it manually, but when it's not manual.
Launch control just messes people out down. Yeah. It's just like so good. What do you think? What do you think? That was even?
Yeah.
Language. It was even.
Yeah,
it was good even. But right, we're going to go on some dual carriageways now.
Yeah.
And we'll get some footage of both cars, just do some little pulls and stuff like that. Just do a bit of comparison, but it was even. The launch control definitely helps these.
Because it just pulls.
This thing you could feel the power coming in on that. I could see it. No, it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. Very, very even then. I think at the higher rev range, I think that one pulls it, only because I should probably let people know that is on a stage 1 remap at the moment. It's done by Superchip, so they've remapped it. So it is running 227 though. This is only 200 brake. Mine's running 227 brake. So yeah, the launch control massively helps these, but it's quick motor, very, very quick motor. Right, so I'm in with Kyle now. We're going to do a launch in his little Fiesta with launch control on, because it does really enhance the way this car pulls off the line. Right, there we go, look, that's what it looks like on the screen. You got the launch control on. You ready? Go. It definitely puts you back in your seat more. That is torquey, man. Might be for time. Right, tell me to get up on one side.
Come past that sunbeam.
Yeah, so even, man.
Man. Alright, ready?
Go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, I'm pulling fast. There you go, I got it by end. That's enough. There you go.
2, 1, go.
That's so even. Alright, on deck.
Right.
3, 2, 1, go. So as you can see from the video, it was quite even between the two cars. I think one thing we did notice was that Connor's quite a slim person. He probably weighs like 10, 11, maybe 12 stone, I don't know. But you know, that is a little bit of weight for a car added to it to pull along. So it was quite strange because it was really even when Connor was in my car. And then when Connor got in Kyle's car, my car just kind of went. And obviously there wasn't too much in it, but when Connor left my car and got in Kyle's car, you could see the difference. But it was very even when Connor was in my car, and I think the two cars are pretty much matched for power. Not, you know, there's 27 brake difference. However, that new MK8 Fiesta ST really puts down the power really well, and I hope you guys could see that in the video. Unfortunately, the video quality wasn't the best. But hopefully next time when we film something like this, we can get better video quality of the cars up against each other. And maybe go and film some other different places as well and film some other videos with them. But if you did enjoy this video, please make sure you give it a massive thumbs up. Make sure you share it with your friends if you think anyone else would enjoy it, and make sure you let me know down below what you thought to the video and what you think to the two cars, what you'd prefer to have, and if you owned an ST or an ST200, are you going to upgrade to the MK8 Fiesta ST at some point in the near future? Let me know down below. And if you are new around here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on that little bell, the notification thing, because that will allow you to then see my upcoming content with the new MK8 Fiesta, because I hopefully should be getting it from Kyle to review properly of his personal spec model in the upcoming future. So yeah, I will catch you on the next one. Peace!